Hey everybody, Jason from Course Motorsports here. Today we're sitting in a 2014 F250 Super Duty. We're going to be doing an installation of our direct fit phone mount bracket. This installation is super simple. It's going to go above either one of these vents. We're going to mount it on the driver's side here, but it will work on either side. So you could order two if you wanted to have a dual setup. To do this installation, you don't need any tools. All we're going to do is open the cubby at the top here. The bracket has like a C shape to it, which is going to just hook around this plastic trim. You need to like lift it up a little bit to hook the legs under and give it a push, and it'll hook right in there, and then just pull it right straight towards you until it's nice and flush. And that's all there is to it. Close the door and you're good to go. So next, you're going to take the box containing the head option you've chosen. This happens to be our MagSafe non-charging head. Inside, you're going to find a steel ring, which is sticky backed. You would use this if you don't have a MagSafe phone or case. Comes with an alcohol pad you'd use to clean off the back of your phone or case to stick the steel ring on. Course Motorsports sticker with a QR code that takes you to our website to help you find the video. A MagSafe non-charging head, an aluminum textured ball, and an Allen wrench. So the first step is going to be to take the ball and Allen wrench out of the box. And then we're going to thread the ball onto the press fit stud of the direct fit mount. And then we'll take the Allen wrench that it comes with and stick it in the end and just give it a little snug so it doesn't come out. Then you take the MagSafe head, we're going to remove the locking collar. We'll drop it over the top of the ball and pop the head in place. And then you're going to want to make sure you have your threads aligned and thread that on. This is where you can aim so that it best is in your view while you're driving. Tighten it down. And then last, you would take your phone. This is the step where if you needed to, you'd put the steel ring on. This happens to be a MagSafe iPhone with a MagSafe case. So you simply just stick it in place, and that's all there is to it.